Hey everyone, Ella and Lily checking in one more time.
We hope you're well. Today we have something very exciting in store for our final video of our 10-part series.
We are going to be making our very own pinatas. We know you guys will enjoy this one a lot, and it can be done with any kind of party that you want.
Yeah.
So here are the things that we will be using today. We're going to start with a balloon. Then we've got our big tub of clad glue, but if you guys can't find any clad glue, you can make your own glue. Just make sure it's quite watery and gooey because that's how it will make it easier with these paintbrushes to glue little pieces of newspaper all over the balloon. And if you don't want to use newspaper, you can use tissue paper to make the pinata look very pretty. It's up to you. And last but not least, today we're going to use favorites to put inside the pinata. But you're welcome to choose anything that you want. You can have lollies, lollipops, really just anything that you want to come out when you bash the pinata open. So, step one, we're going to put the chocolates into the balloon. Try and use 2 people for this because it might be tricky to actually fit things through while the balloon isn't blown up. So we just put all the chocolates in the balloon, but did find it a little bit tricky, so I would suggest using smaller lollies if possible. Now we're going to blow it up to see how it looks. Right, next up, now that our balloon is done, we're going to start with our glue process. So here we have our newspaper. And we're going to strip it into pieces about this big.
Now that all of our paper has been ripped up into little pieces, we're going to put the glue onto the plate and start the glue process.
So you guys, we have just finished paper macheing our balloon, and I just wanted to quickly add in though, before you start the process, make sure you leave a little hole at the top so that you're able to poke something sharp through and actually pop the balloon on the inside. This way when you go to bash the paper mache balloon, it's actually going to be able to break a lot more easily.
Alright guys, make sure you leave this in a nice spot where it can dry. Check it after a day, but I would give it 2 days just to be sure before you pop the balloon inside and go on to the next step.
Alright, so it's been 3 days now and our paper mache is definitely dry. The next step is to put a hole in the top of it with some scissors. Make sure you're careful with this process. And once we've made a little hole, we're going to grab some string, make sure it's quite sturdy, and you're going to cut off a piece long enough to be able to hang on something like a tree or a pole, whatever you want to do. We're going to use our pergola up the top and go from there.
Okay, so now that we've hung that up, I've just got a broom to use, but you can use either a plastic cricket bat or a baseball bat if you have one to smash your pinata. Hope you guys have fun with your pinata.